All right, guys, let's talk about drum pumps, transfer pumps. Now, I've tried a lot of them. A lot of you guys have tried them. Pumping from your, when you first start off, you guys use 55-gallon bleach pump tanks and so forth, barrels. When you get busy or get something like this here, that's over 1,000 gallons of bleach, and I use an air diaphragm pump for that. But you can use this pump as well. This is the finished Thompson drum pump. You get these from Zoro, okay? This motor here, this is brand new, so I didn't put it together yet. This motor basically mounts to here with a little bushing that meets the spline here and meets the spline in there. Now these pumps go for a little over 600 bucks. Sign up to Zoro, make yourself an account, and when they send you a 20% coupon, buy it. They have them in stock. When I ordered this one, it was here like in a day or two. What makes this special is all the wetting agents, everything that touches the chemical is plastic, except the one shaft in the center, which is a very, very high grade of stainless steel. Because we know not all stainless steels are the same. Some of the fittings that we buy, the cheap ones, they bleach attacks and so forth. What makes this one special is, first of all, you unscrew this, it's reverse threads, a little filter there, but this little impeller, let me put up against my jacket. This little impeller here, that's what basically does all the work. That stainless steel shaft pumps it up, comes around, it comes up through here. There's seals here and then the motor. So everything's plastic except the shaft. Everybody's got a knucklehead on their crew. Do not let them touch this. Keep far away from this. This here, it's pretty fragile. I mean, it's plastic. Especially if you keep it in chemicals a while, who knows, it gets even a little bit brittle. But you drop this first time, you break it off, it's done. This stick here is the whole cost. This thing here is $400 and some. The motor is, I don't know, maybe about $1.50. But this is where all the cost is in this stick. They sell sticks for drum pumps. They sell sticks for that big tank right there. I have a buddy of mine that has it in one of those 1,000-gallon tanks for over 10 years. This stick and motor has been sitting in there, been working beautifully. I have it sitting, I have two other ones in my shop, one in the muriatic acid mixture and one in the heavy concentrated caustic soda mixture, and they're fine. Now, if you guys, they sell these here, like I said, they come in two pieces. There's only, if you look on Finished Thompson on Zoro or Finished Thompson website, there's probably 20 different part numbers for this stick. This is the only one you have to get. This here is the EFV40. Let me see if I can get it in there. The EFV40. I'll put all the part numbers in the description. This is 2-speed 110 pump. This one here is the S1. 2 speeds, same thing. This is fragile. I had a buddy of mine drop his and it snapped this right off. I mean, it's plastic. And when it comes in, like I said, these are two separate part numbers. You just bolt it together. It comes with the hose for here. Like I said, they sell it in 110 and 12 volt. I buy them 110. My truck is rigged up with an 8,000 watt Onan generator on it. So I can plug it into the truck, but if I don't want to bother with cords or whatever, this is what I use. This is a 12 amp Milwaukee battery. This here is the Milwaukee inverter. It's got some USBs, it's got a 110 outlet on it. This here works this pump here. Unless you're sucking really thick stuff up, it works well. And you'll probably get one tank out of a 12 amp battery. But it's great. You got to transfer something, you got to top something off. Grab this, hang this on the side of the barrel, plug it in, run the pump, and you're good to go. Yeah, that's it. Like I said, been doing well for years. I consider it the only pump to buy. Nothing else lasts, but this one here lasts a very long time. Just got to take care of it. You don't have to flush it out. You don't have to flush it with water, but just don't drop it and don't leave it half-assed sticking out of the drum where there's stress on it from the weight of the motor, and it will last you for years. Like, you spend money, you buy good stuff, you get good stuff. But from Zoro, I'll put the description in the, I'll put the part numbers in the description, but this is definitely the pump to buy. All right, guys, keep on spraying.